अगर आप सलमान खान के फ़ैन हैं तो भगवान आपका भला करे। Couple of points I want to make before I start describing the fuck all plot. A, if you are here for a review, the one line review for the movie, it sucks. It's a crappy movie. And if you actually plan to watch the movie, then please don't listen to my video because I'm going to reveal every single twist and plot and everything. I haven't seen Race 1 and Race 2, so I have no context really. So great, if you're still watching it, the way I want to put this movie is that Remo Fernandez, what's his name? Remo basically has a bunch of songs. I think there are 10 songs. So this movie is about having एक गाना, दो गाना, तीन गाना और गाने के बीच में सीन्स हैं. कभी एक्शन सीन है, कभी कुछ प्लॉट सीक्वेंस है, बट बेसिकली गाना 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 गाना. सारी एफर्ट उसके और क्रिएटिविटी गाने के पिक्चराइजेशन पे चली गई, इसलिए ज़्यादा एनर्जी बची नहीं टू डू मच विद द प्लॉट. The third point that I wanted to make before I get into the plot narration is that you realize that how sometimes when the director sucks, I don't know, I think ABCD was fair enough, it's been a long time, but even someone like Saqib Khan, I never thought he could do bad acting. He has, and I have seen him like a good actor in all the movies that I have seen him. Uh, even he acted so bad in this movie. And talking about acting, I think Anil Kapoor was the only good actor in this movie. Not a single character is well defined and has any depth to it. They're extremely shallow. But Anil Kapoor somehow still looked like that convincing. His part was very convincing. And one last thing before I begin, I missed first few minutes. I don't know how much, but I think 5 minutes, 10 minutes, something. So if I missed something important and those who have seen it, I want to come back and tell me that, hey, I should have told about that. I don't know what happened in the first 5 minutes. So when we entered the theater, Princey and I, first thing that we see is that Anil Kapoor के ऊपर एक assassination attempt हुआ है और he is like of this rich in Abu Dhabi businessman from India and he does some legal arms supply business. So इसके दो बच्चे रहते हैं, twin brother and sister Saqib and Dedisha. They get very angry and they try to find out किसने assassination attempt किया है और वो उसके warehouse में जाके एक weird सा fight sequence करते हैं, painfully hilarious fight sequence, and then they get trapped and then Salman Khan comes flying in a wing suit from some top of the building to actually also join the gang and save them. He could have taken a car, he could have taken a bike, he could have already been in the warehouse if he knew where the warehouse was, but I think he was probably in the mood of some adventure sports. Maybe he had Mountain Dew और बीच में किसी का फ़ोन आया कि बॉस, we also don't know who Salman Khan is. He's Sikandar. He probably works for Anil Kapoor, but he's someone important and he should be told that अनिल कपूर के जो बच्चे हैं वो ट्रबल में हो सकते हैं क्योंकि वो लड़ाई मार करने गए हैं उस गुंडे के साथ जिसने अनिल कपूर के ऊपर असैसिनेशन अटेम्प्ट करवाया. एनीवे, सलमान खान फ्लाइज एंड देन गोज एंड किक्स एसेस एंड देन बीच में बॉबी देओल भी आता है उस एक्शन सीक्वेंस में. दिस इज द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द मूवी. वी रियली डोंट नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, हु इज हु. And then after this fight sequence is over, most of the guys in the warehouse are killed and Bobby Deol, Salman Khan, twin brother and sister do this slow kante walk. And the movie starts from this point onwards. This was just an intro. I don't know how long this is going to be, so I want to keep eating as I keep talking. So this is how the movie starts, right? Anil Kapoor ka ek lawyer hai, he comes and Anil Kapoor calls his two children, the twins. एंड द लॉयर टेल्स दैट अभी आप 25 साल के हो गए हो तो आपकी माँ ने मरने के पहले एक विल छोड़ के आया था, तो वो विल मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ और दैट विल सेज दैट फ्रॉम मेरी प्रॉपर्टी का 50% गोज टू सलमान खान और 25 ईच टू द ट्विंस. एंड दिस ट्विंस आर लाइक व्हाट द फक मैन, आई मीन हु द फक इज सिकंदर सलमान. एंड देन अनिल कपूर टेल्स अ बैक स्टोरी. सलमान खान इज द कजन स्लैश स्टेप ब्रदर ऑफ द ट्विंस. अनिल कपूर का एक बड़ा भाई था, दोनों इंडिया में आर्म्स का बिजनेस करते थे और बड़ा भाई मर गया तो अनिल कपूर ने अपनी भाभी से शादी कर लिया, तो सलमान खान वाज उसका भतीजा और शादी करने के बाद ये दो अलग से बच्चे हुए. सो बेसिकली दे आर कजन स्लैश स्टेप ब्रदर्स सिस्टर्स. So obviously the twins still don't like Salman Khan. They just don't like it because Anil Kapoor Salman Khan को ज़्यादा भाव देता है, ज़्यादा प्यार करता है. And there's a little extra part of the backstory is that Anil Kapoor का भाई, he was actually killed by a local politician in India 25 years ago when they were there in India. He was killed because Anil Kapoor and उसका बड़ा भाई had killed that politician. And there was some weird fight and bottom line is Anil Kapoor and his family had to leave India, and Anil Kapoor has this desire since 25 years to go back to India, but he can't because that enmity is still not over, so it will be kind of unsafe for him to go to India. Now, a friend of Anil Kapoor's from the village comes to Abu Dhabi to tell Anil Kapoor of this amazing hard disk. Okay, this hard disk has videos of a lot of famous politicians in India captured in a very high-end hotelish brothel where they used to come, and this guy used to work there, Anil Kapoor's friend. Hard disk is in a bank locker or some locker in Cambodia, and if Anil Kapoor could get that hard disk, it would give him a great political leverage, and then he can probably return to India. And this friend says that he wants, listen to this, 1 billion US dollar. He tells the bank's name and tells the locker number also, but he says that hard disk is password protected, and I know the password, and it's kind of pressure sensitive and all that, so I have to personally press the password, and my fee for that is 1 billion US dollar, like 7,000 crore for that password. Anil Kapoor agrees to it because, well, he has to go to India, और जब तक वो I still don't get it. Like, चला जाए यार इंडिया, 25 साल हो गए, तू इतना पैसे वाला हो गया है, figure out somewhere how you're willing to pay 5,000 7,000 crore to get a hard disk so that you can have a political leverage over politicians because you have sex tapes on them. I'm sweating because I did not want the fan above to be on so that my voice is clearer. So I hope you appreciate the effort going into this review for this shitty, crappy plot. Alright, let's go back to Bobby Deol, Salman Khan, the twins. They're having a party. In this movie, they keep having parties because, you know, most of the songs are indoors, and when they're outdoors, so they have to have songs and parties, obviously. That Bobby Deol says that he has recently found a girl that he loves, and Salman Khan says that few months back he had also found a girl that he kind of fell in love with, and we are shown that that's Jacqueline. And Salman says that that happened when he was in China for some reason. And one fine day, Jacqueline just disappeared. So that was the end of Salman's story. Now there's another party happening where Bobby Deol actually introduces everyone to his girlfriend. And obviously, guess who she is? She's Jacqueline. So Salman Khan finds a moment when he asks Jacqueline to meet. And we assume that there will be some kind of confrontation. But Salman actually says sorry to Jacqueline. So we are wondering what's happening here, because the story that he had narrated was where Jacqueline one day just disappeared. So why is he saying sorry to her? Anyway, so the twin brother sister में जो भाई है, the Saqib, he notices that there is something happening between Salman and Jacqueline. So he kind of investigates and finds, captures a video where he sees Salman and Jacqueline hugging each other. And because both these twin brother sisters didn't like Salman, they show this video to Bobby Deol, and they tell Bobby Deol that Dekh, Salman is screwing your girlfriend, so you go and do something about it. So Bobby Deol goes to Salman Khan and says, what the fuck, bro? Bro, by the way, I hate every time Saqib and that twin sister Daisy they say bro. It's just shouldn't have said so many bros, man. Bobby Deol जाता Salman Khan के पास कि साले I thought you were like brother to me. We still don't know who the fuck is Bobby Deol, by the way. He just works for Salman Khan and Anil Kapoor. Who the fuck is he? Like a brother, what the fuck does that mean? But anyway, now Salman Khan tells Bobby Deol that calm down. Let me tell you what actually happened in China. जब मैं चाइना में था और मैं सो के उठा, तो ऐसा नहीं कि जैकलिन डिसअपियर हो गई थी, उसके साथ साथ पैसे भी मेरे गायब हो गए थे. तो मैंने पुलिस को इन्वॉल्व किया, एंड देन दे कॉट जैकलिन. बट इन द मीन टाइम होटल एक्चुअली कॉन्टैक्टेड मी एंड सेड दैट हमको आपका पैसा मिल गया, हमारे स्टाफ के पास था. सो आई फेल्ट वेरी बैड दैट आई हैड accused Jacqueline of stealing my money when it was someone else. But then Salman Khan had a special hidden camera. This movie has a lot of hidden cameras. Everything, it revolves around the fact of hidden cameras' existence. So Salman Khan has this hidden camera which he goes and investigates, and he finds that actually Jacqueline had stolen the money, but she took it out from wherever he had kept it in his room, and she gave it to the hotel staff. So he figured out that actually she wanted him to feel bad about the fact that he had accused her. So now he goes and tells her that he knows that she had planned this whole thing. So he now wants to know who had hired her, and she tells that she had been hired by the twin brothers and sisters. And he is now telling this to Bobby Deol. He asks Bobby Deol to go back to those twin brothers and sisters and say that don't talk about all of this, but just say that this thing between Salman and Bobby has been resolved and Salman will stay away from Jacqueline. So Bobby plays along, he goes to the twins, and but what's not clear is why do the twins care about pitting Bobby Deol against Salman Khan? How does it matter who the fuck is Bobby Deol? We still don't करा दी लड़ाई, तो क्या हुआ, मतलब क्या बच्चों वाला गेम चल रहा है यहाँ पे. So this at this point, you just everyone is having a headache in the theater, and then the movie moves to that goddamn hard disk worth $1 billion US. So Anil Kapoor asks Salman Khan to steal that hard disk because if he has that hard disk, he can go back to India. Salman Khan says, "Fine, I'll steal it." So he goes to Cambodia, opens an account in the same bank, and he gets access to the same locker. He goes to the locker, he makes sure that the locker is there, and he puts some money in. I think. Maybe money or maybe bomb in some other locker, etc. And then he comes back and then he's dancing and he's partying and he sends the twins and Bobby Deol in the night to go and steal the hard disk from the locker. They go and steal the hard disk from the locker. They come back and by the time the night or the party ended, Salman Khan is picked up by some military organizations and is captured. And at this time we are wondering what's really happening, but Salman Khan beats the hell out of whoever had captured him and just comes out, and Jacqueline and him kind of escape, and then we are shown that Bobby Deol and the twin brother sister में जो बहन है, they are hanging out together in a yacht, and Bobby Deol is apparently the mastermind behind. So Bobby Deol was seeing this sister. We still don't know who the fuck Bobby Deol is. He works for Salman Khan, but he's and Anil Kapoor, and he is seeing the daughter of Anil Kapoor, and they actually are boyfriend and girlfriend, but no one knew about it. And they had together hired Jacqueline to meet Salman and then meet Bobby and whatever. So he's the mastermind, right? And so why did they fuck up Salman Khan? I'm not too sure. Yeah, we don't know why Bobby Deol hates Salman Khan in the first place. We just don't know who the fuck is Bobby Deol. We still don't know. It's just very confusing at this point. Anyway, now Salman Khan escapes and they have one more party and they sing and dance. The family is still together. Like after this, Jacqueline goes maybe in another party. She goes to this twin sister and says that she knows that Bobby Deol and her the sister were together, and Jacqueline says that she was never hired by Bobby Deol, but she is actually a secret service from India and she has an intel on some kind of illegal arms dealing happening. So now she says that she has evidence against Bobby and his sister. So Jacqueline जाती है ये twin brother sister में बहन के पास, and they have this weird cat fight, and then Bobby Deol comes and says रुक जा लड़ाई मत करो. He asks Jacqueline what does she want to keep her mouth shut, and she says she wants $50 million. मतलब सबको मतलब अनाप शनाप पैसे चाहिए. She gets her money, she collects it using a drone. Pretty cool, nice. And then the movie takes us back to that goddamn hard disk worth $1 billion. So Anil Kapoor invites all the involved politicians to Abu Dhabi so that he can have a negotiation meeting. And while he is going to that negotiation meeting, and Salman Khan उसके पीछे दूसरी कार में आ रहा है, Salman Khan's car just goes into flame, just gets totally burnt. And Anil Kapoor says that hey, जैसे बाप को मारा था वैसे बेटे को ही मार दिया ना. Great, nice twist, but why? सलमान खान को क्यों मारा उसका कोई रीज़न नहीं है. And also we know that भाई की मूवी में भाई नहीं मर सकता, तो great suspense there, yeah. So Anil Kapoor goes to this meeting with politicians. So, okay, the narration is coming to an end. Please be happy. That's it. I mean, we're almost at the end now, the climax. So Anil Kapoor goes to this warehouse/room and he tells the politicians that ये टीवी में रहा ये हार्ड डिस्क आप लोग देख लो वीडियो. उसके पहले मैं बताता हूँ कि मुझे चाहिए कि आई वांट टू गो बैक टू इंडिया, और आप सबकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में आई शुड बी अलाउड टू डू इलीगल आर्म्स एंड आई शुड बी अलाउड टू डू what? Yeah, drugs and all of that. उसके तो जो बेटे हैं, twin brother and sister, all of them are slightly shocked. What happened, man? This guy is talking about illegal and stuff. And he also says, by the way, Salman Khan मर गया car accident में. And let's just have 1 minute of silence for Salman Khan. I think during the same time, Salman Khan actually went to jail for a day or two. So they were having a 1 minute silence for the fact that Salman Khan was absent from the shoot. And maybe Remo was thinking, in case Salman Khan does not come back from jail, he just died, right? So, but because Salman Khan came from jail, likewise in the movie, वो जिंदा होके वापस आ जाता है. उसके पहले तो ये लोग हार्ड डिस्क में टीवी में चलाते हैं वीडियोस. So this video is obviously it does not show any of the porn stuff that was being, the sex stuff that was being talked about. This video shows the mother of Salman Khan and the children and Anil Kapoor's wife who had died. She's telling that in that video, which was recorded apparently 25 years back, that hey, Anil Kapoor killed my actual husband, and I think I have I am being poisoned slowly, so I would probably die. But before I die, I want to record this video, which should be given to Salman Khan when he becomes slightly older. And I want Salman to know that he is my son, obviously. But even these twins are right now in my pet. In my, I'm already pregnant as before my husband died, so they also are like children of the same father. So Salman and these twins are actually real brothers and sisters. Now Anil Kapoor like, what the fuck? With why does this hard disk have this content? And we'll reveal this answer later. But at this point, Salman Khan comes back, and then a lot of gunfight stuff, and Jacqueline Fernandez keeps on hovering in a helicopter because of course she is a secret service, she has access to the helicopter, and बाकी सारे जो टीम है उसके सबके पास बुलेट प्रूफ वेस्ट और वो सब है, but she is just in her aviators and t-shirt because well it's important to be cool, look cool than to safeguard your body from bullets. And then Anil Kapoor, of course. So the big question, who the fuck is Bobby Deol? Well, अगर ये जो ट्विंस हम अनिल कपूर के बेटे नहीं हैं और सलमान खान नहीं है तो who else? Bobby Deol is Salman Khan's, Anil Kapoor's son. तो बॉबी देओल की माँ कौन है ये नहीं बताते, हमें जानना भी नहीं है, कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. So now Bobby Deol and Anil Kapoor are kind of moving out, and Jacqueline हेलीकॉप्टर से जा रही है और जो ट्विंस हैं वो कार से जा रहे हैं, और कौन बचा? सलमान खान भी अलग से कार से फॉलो कर रहा है. फिर एक रेगिस्तान में सलमान और बॉबी देओल अपना कपड़ा शर्ट हटा के उठा के शर्ट खोल के नंगे बदन कुश्ती भी करते हैं. फिर कुश्ती करते करते बोलते यार तेरी गलती नहीं है, हम लोग क्यों लड़े. एंड देन जैकलीन अनिल कपूर को लेके चली जाती है इंडिया और वो जेल में चला जाता है. अग्गी मूवी है. और जब कहानी खत्म हो जाती है, ही इज ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दिस लूज एंड्स दैट हार्ड डिस्क कैसे चेंज हुआ. तो जो पहली बार वो लॉकर में गया था तो उसने चुरा लिया था उस टाइम पर ही हार्ड डिस्क. उसके पास कुछ स्पेशल डिवाइस था, उसको बॉम्बिंग की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी, तो हार्ड डिस्क उसने उस टाइम पर स्वैप कर दिया था इस हार्ड डिस्क से. और उसके पास ये इन्फॉर्मेशन 10 साल से थी, बट वो 10 साल से वो चुप बैठा था. पता नहीं क्यों चुप बैठा था, बट वो 10 साल से चुप बैठा था. That's it guys, that's the movie just ends where Anil Kapoor is in a jail, Bobby Deol is also in a jail, और सलमान खान और वो जो उसके एक्चुअल भाई और बहन जो शुरू में उससे नफरत करते थे अब वो लोग साथ में हैं. और जैकलीन को नहीं दिखाता, वो शायद इंडिया चली गई वापस. बट मूवी के एंड में सलमान खान क्लियरली टेल्स दैट एक और रेस आएगी, एंड आई प्यूक. And at that I'm like, fuck you Salman, nahi dekhni ek aur race. If you like to see more of my not reviews but plot narrations, let me know. But for those who are new to my channel, I don't do that many reviews, but if you go around and look at my work, I vlog about my life. I do a lot of documentary style short documentary films from across India, and I in fact get hired by startups and non-profits and others to shoot their stories. And sometimes I do stories just on amazing people doing amazing things even when they don't hire me. Because the stories need to be told. So if you like my work and want to keep in touch with me and maybe more such reviews, just subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, if you're a new subscriber, once you subscribe, उसके बगल में एक घंटी होती है, उसको आप प्रेस कर दें, क्योंकि आजकल YouTube में अगर आप सिर्फ सब्सक्राइब करते हो तो आपको फिर भी नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आता है, तो आपको घंटी प्रेस करना ज़रूरी है to get a notification. Thank you so much.